Jesus. Thank you, Father God. It be biara say enye awie yi so. We thank everybody wherever you are watching me from. Ebi biara ohwe me free biara no, Yakopon hira wo. Awie die yi so de me de ba ne say. The Christian leaders no, ade na omu ye. Peace councils no, ade na omu ka. Oh my mu. Debia mi kase Christian as a believer. Nyakopodi nyama bebre ahye yensa se de yenye. But enede ne yehwe. Ye fa ye kai hu say anase all the time kase Israel for Israel safe for. Na ka Israel ba kosema enu bi na ene ye ya na. Nti the AC or Ghana say no ena awie no nti empanifo no omo Christian leaders no omo hu ade no omo ade na enti omo ntimi enkasa ama oman no. Why can't they rebuke the nation, talk about whatever they are doing no? The oman no empanifo no ya na Christian leaders no omo ntimi nka asofofo no amu wa ano ese mukasa ma ye ne no. Bible say mukasa ma omo ni ano no. Ti se mo amu wa anu na ese mu kasa mu ntimi nkasa no sie no wan na be kasa ma oman no Yakopon ne de oman na hye Musa se mu kona mu ko oman man so na mu ko kasa mpan asempan ne de hin na mo amu ni mu ka Bible na asempan ne de hin amu aja ne kasa nukra na to no mo nti de ekoso Ghana se ne mu hu ye nyame hye so wo hwe baby bia wo hwe me bia mpa cho video we se no for your concern of your nation. Say be you know my share video we man ko baby biara. But you bet me like it. My own man who here, we obi o Christian as a believer na so my own man who all the time because say they be no so my own man who here and I say if you don't concern about your nation no Yakopon no obedi because Kani man so aye ni kofo wa bo mo oma odi on achi ntina da bia me kase Isaiah 62 verse 1 no what can say because of Zion tino on kana no ntum because of Jerusalem tino o can say on kana no ntum no nti enu na ye ha na say ha me mi pa chowo Nyakopo asem no aye nukre o anya de yeti asore dem ayo enu ye yese be benya encouragement Nyakopo asem aye nukre asem ni say odi o man so a network be ha me pa o network be ha me e bibia be si bia no na eja bet kakra me waka no de ese me kan oh Nyakopo asem Titus manika asem mika bibi chira wa ha say Titus, you can't have to be Bible Titus, chapter 1, verse 13. Oh, say Nyakopo asem no, aye nukra asem o. Enti wa you say, unka Nyakopo asem no, unfa nukra antu ye. Na de ye bone e na obedi akire no, o se no me empa ofie o di papa de dane bone, no di bone dane papa, o se no me empa ofie. Proverbs 70 verse 13 no. Enti na wie no. Na fa bu ye man. nukre adwuma biara wo ye be one thing say omuti say to be a Christian, to be a man of God, no, it is about the truth. Any work that you are doing, adwuma biara wo ye biara no wo di nukre ka ho a Titus chapter 1 verse 13 no. Nyakobo mka say munko che oman no munkai omani rebuke them so that they will know the truth. Nyakobo say munka nkofo ani munka oman anim sebe ya omahu nukre no. Nukre ne dia ade nukre ne Nyakobo. Obi bia no ka nukre bia no onim Nyakobo. I said rebuke them so that they will know the faith, they will know the truth. And to say me and assuring penny for me and penny peace cancer for more abaimu. Now the air cost on Amutimi come not to ma. That means a much a bribe. Oh, Bebrena, I will not so Mutiminka. Bible Peter Nisa Philip Nusa Ninkofono. It is about the rebuking of the nation. That's why they were perishable. But Oma Papa, so Usro Mano, Sabaka Omenima, then the worship you are worship God, no, it is in vain. Nyakopo drink one idea to you who said, yes, some Nyakopo. A brother Nukrano, one of my said, Timmy Catcher, and Pennyphone said, your moon and yet. Send a government to a government, you know, or say, or man, or as a muka. Who can Ukraina say a cool crapona? You have a place to go. That's how we can know too. Tell you and me, Busaya and sorry for the penny for the peace cancer. I can't say Christian leaders in say, and then I'm looking for my who's here. Preaching Ben Amuk or preaching or my who's here. No crab and I'm catching on man. The reality of life, as somebody catch a cancer. Members no munka eno other than prosperity mubedi yem kwasem na muka no kra na wo de munka nkyere o man no sabi o man no be fa muto mapefra asaya ka sentini o because oni mind no on kana no ntum no unless say o manya o mo ho o manya anije. Who is calling? I am not ready for pick any call. Mutiasie Bible Nyakopo asem no say one kind ye no want tia say why say school na wa connect na we pastor and as we evangelist na then forget. Let your thoughts should be like a positive. And I make us bonne efre adwenimu efre akumemu ade bi ro be your physical be Nyakopo embu eno nti why you wadwini say wo de wanya ho. Entino or man the best say about procura no. That means that you have committed a sin already. Into your suffer for no, you are penny for no Christian leaders no. Last time Bakobi yourself of the Cape Coast, your friend said, I don't know. I'm sure Dino. Yes, you see a friend no Charles Pama said Bukra said the Archbishop of Cape Coast. I would your man as a leader. Okachi said you should forget the hardship in hey why God. A leader, a Christian leader. Okachi said you should forget the hardship in the country so that we contribute to cathedral. That's why they forget me for Nukratu chain. Bible Nyakopo akache Solomon said Osias I can say Moses said Osias sorry dano. Do you know where they get the money from? Do you know where they get the activity the tools from? So they know the best Gina say Nyakopo Moses Osias sorry daya Moses in ensi Nyakopo ama Moses ensi. And a baby omunya nyoma no free and so no they take it from Egyptians before they are living Egypt, you know. nyakopo ma omo gigi sa nyoma ni nyina enti man tina parliament was a leader, as a Christian leader no na ma de na nukra ni ensie so the nukra sia nume ana baba ofie nume empa ofie da enti wuti parliament wano adekrota muti parliament wano no ese mu hwe se politicians no do mu ye biara no ebefa kwan mu na ediye ade bre oman no but mu makotina hono na mama je bribe and mama bribe from money because of move ye benefit they don't even acknowledge God say be ambabu se nyakopo se enipa we fatana se o ka bebu na aye Moses tama omu free Egypt eba no mpenimfo no ofrafra mpenimfo no edede kire wo mu se obi biara odi ni ha ba biara o kire mo obi adi ni ha ba o kire no but aya so cancer Moses aya ni in-law na se obehu ye no ka kire ni se do o ye no enye onu kwa entimi enhwe sa nkofo we so na mom ompa nkofo a they are not corrupted, they are not bribers omo je bribe omo nya corrupt omo di nukure no wonyinyi omo fa tutu na omo no sebe ya obetimi aboa asolve nkofo problems ama womo enu ti na yeyi mo edi parliament won mu sere munko na mko siesie de entini biara no mu hwe na maye mumu makoho no mu ana makoda ni bribe collectors ana maji bribe ama mani efra ade ye nukura no mutimi enka ama nanado esey oman no eji oman japade no because they don't think about the future. Bible say wow ebe na mo so tusu de ba no due mamu ye Christian leaders no amudi sikasem ahonya de edebo mo asafo ni amunka nukura ni anchira oman mpenimfo no oman mu na maka ma no atum no mundue na send baba mubaka hubi. Do you think that the money that or the whatever you have, no, if you don't take it in the correct way and the right way, no, you can enjoy. You will not enjoy it. Mudi how under the prayer of mine, no. Mom, we are penny for now. Esa mushama in Chinimano. Ombesuamono, Momo, madam corrupters. Our menu. Nti ocean kura no kura pa na youth no be brena nukura no omuntimi ka nukura no first na muka no muka sapa aye oba bi bae previous government bae no muka saye pa say oman nye oman no penifon essay that is good but and I didn't see mutimi enkasa be Christian leaders no bishops no mo muti parliament wono mo no amu ba bo kire amu be kan kwasi asam no ede na mu ye wono mo yensuro bia mo if you so people who can look at your cook it is better than keep quiet. Share the SEC, share the MPs no mubi omutimi gina radio so aka se muko gugo obi muko kuma obi say and so Christian leaders entimi answer abeka sa nyoma we ho asem say do mu ye enye nkofo ag bribe owo kromu ha se no mu Christian leaders entimi ba abontre beka say Sanyo man no mo ba be chechem say de omo ye no ode oha bra o man no mati baka mo no atum say journalist be sorry say wo kasa na a police for na ma so letia no enso de ekoso no o mantimi ehu Canada Japan timi gina TV so radio so timi aka say mo hu abrati we say ya mo nko no and there is not a threat to the nation a captain matrix say the youth must arise. And no the macro question said or threaten nation or the fear and panic at the two men so but obit me gina PNC so and I really said me aka say mu abrante we say munku na na say mumpra no the best bia matua ntene mutimi anka ho hwe ayema mo Yede yebeka. This year the yebeka say me as I am a Christian, say me ye ogidi ni no. Say me hu no kra na say man kan. Then I should forget about the Christianity that I have to be. Say man kan no kra na ana me forget say there. Me ye Christian, as I me ye be ogidi ni. Bibia ase o memu nanado ase bibia o memu so ni nkrofo abesori aba betwa young boys young girls our by government we mu they know the truth say o men enkoye but o maka o men too they are quiet and they come out with liars. I can say and this as Mahama was no. If he is not doing good, Kurapona, he is performing better than this government. Because Obayano, he was building schools, hospitals, a market. Ghana has a school all the time. You boy he said you go school. Obiano go school, or go nursery training, or go teacher training, or free teacher training in Bra. And classroom no kwakotina. No obiaba esi school esi aya mu say there sa anyama no yen there is not good. Obia osi school obo aman no mu say no dey anya ntire yen ni free so that is okay because any people continue bu aman na do aba ene de obia kana no atum because musuro munyina mache bribe because onankasa wa ba kura pa obaje bribe o di bribe ene start na konya die. But no be at me about time say bribe no watch and one thing is say bribe. Let me tell you one thing. It's a gift that you take in an office lead to a bribe. Or people to me a gift, you don't know. Say bia say dey no ya no. E dey so beba. Until other times me can say ye cheap bribe our office. Office bia na say jume bia mo wo biara no. Make sure say no one give you a gift in a secret way. Say be obema wa achede do de be ma no make sure kai say o de be gina ade bi so o de be pa bibia e wo djuma mo hono ma e kwai down say wo ye but gift no wa de ama won ti no if you kura po na ade bia npa ko no be ye biara no say nya kura po a wo be je to because of it scanner no de ma na say ye gift no de ama no nti what ya make catch you to na say obi biara say we don't take a gift in any office or any institution. Office I want a gift to a honomo, and no be na ye penny for your Christian leaders, no. They are not qualified to be in that parliament. They must be removed from that person so that they do not bring disgrace to the nation, disgrace to the Christians, because they are just put the name of God on them. And then Yakobo can say, for calling God's name in vain, no, you that one you will perish. So what did Yakobo do? You are a prophet, you are apostle, you are archbishop, but the work of the archbishop, the apostle, no, you are not doing it in that parliament. Abam one na muye Christian leaders na eduma kono. Mu konye bibia wo hono mu. Mako kama no tum ana leaders no, politicians no. Aye do mu pe ese o majabade ade atete ade ba o memu and na also look Ghana kurapo say who took kurapo na forget the car to go no you not get it how come abetina mani basa aye wa Christian leaders a peace casesa ese mu kasa ma o man no munyina makama no atum wow makama no tu ana mo hwema omani essay as a pastor na you preach what jai omani essay no so omani say na who na kokko preach ama wo mo if you let the nation roar or go mess who are you going to preach to but some musole obi biara sorry this previous government is spoiling the nations. Man aquatitium aquaform. I mean, this was not surprise for me because I know this one already a long time. If you last time could not be catching me about could be said. on my way send a back from no send on my best and obi no beti ase da. For the 2016 for the first time because the first week na electing Nanado. And I'm Nyakubo catch me say this nation if we continue let's say vote this government again this nation will go down. But because we don't have that we don't have a time to voice out, you know. And nothing, and then I say, me catch me about could be say start to Obama say government we are, or man the back from, or man about sink it, but they just take it as a matter. And so man was saying any area no, me anya me wan bet, anya me wan no, anya tell say you beka ya no too. Se mi kanu kura no na se wa utie na se wa anya and that and Yakubu ni asubu for bia de and I said I don't have any problem with that because my kanu kura na chiro ana wa anya Bible no we have to read the Bible and get the understanding of the Bible so that we break it into the life of the people, the life of the Bible. And yeah I can't say or say for another Bible it's different from and the regime. The life of the Bible is different from us now. So, other times you read the Bible, let that you understand the word, so that you break it into life, into real life, the reality of the people. Mukasa, as a leader, as a Christian leader, Mukasa, Nanado, ese or mine, Mukasa. Nanado ni mpeni mfuwa ni nkofo ese omano bebre na nipa se nanado ese omano so no omutimi nkasa aya ye kan say ye constitution anase constitution no and I say na yesi bibu o man organa ha no and nipa ba ko antimi bu o man no ano kire say obeka wano atum se wo ka wano tuma aban be na beba obekasa. If you quiet now, which government will come that you voice out? No. I said the Mukasa. Captain Smart said, I say you to me sorry. Na aya na na do ni mpeni ni nko for SL man IGP. What so say wo koche no. Journalist na ono wo reach obekasa ma man. Journalist na ono wo anu na say okasa ma man no. Mo tete journalist no. Because of aya Canada Japan onu there what it aya I can say aya journalist no be atimi aka ho sento no mu police fans mu di mu ho agim mu nyina mu di mu ho agim pese de mu say o man o mo anu na o bekasa ma o man no mu tete o mu ade ehun hia nkwa na mu di akire Jesus. Some my way. You see this man? And I'm kind of handsome. What the Abaka say you are in the parliament, you know? Oh, one some a prophet as an Archbishop Walker. This man calling himself a man of God. Well, obet me ya Yakubu ba. Wow. You can be a leader, but if you don't take care, the Spirit of God, no, it will left you. You think that you are working to God, but you are not working to God. You are working to the devil. Bonsam etinukura into utinukura. That means that you are the enemy to the Lord Almighty. Then I make say the other day no in new say working toward the Old Testament now. In kasa ba we say no. In comedy into kwaba. In Canada do say something ke eternity kura afriso. Serious, I know, yeah. If you're in the presence of God, no, We don't care about who you are. No. Yeah, Ben Ukraine, forget about your scholarship, your education, whoever you are. Well, Bible, no, as we call ourselves that Ghana is a Christian nation, no, we should lead the Bible. I say, a general Bible, no, so that I did poor man, no. And another, a man chapter there. What time say? I'm not saying on Mexico. What time say? What do you call top play? Say now, say Rwanda or somewhere. No. Say you hear it. Say Chinese for no. Abeji on my part before because of Busi or Muboy or meant me enter. I didn't know so. I'll be at me casa. It's a man and say. Now who na say okona ko kaje nyakupa say. Omana ase into no wanya ni pebia na ase. Omana ase into no want me preach. Wana ama omana ase. Muka nukra na kire youth na penifo no. No mu hu nukra no. Why muka nukra no? Our pastors, Christian leaders, peace council. Omani ase Nanado sell man, Nanado no penny for sell man. Nanado, he doesn't care. He doesn't care about anybody. What he knows is for his own self. He's a greedy person. Nanado, I am person man kunya and the pebia obedi o man so. Share this video to every platform. Person video we do penny for no. Mo mutie say as a pastor no, eso mu kanu kura na asori dem na obu kwa preach no. Na nya ko pa say go to amama so we kasa mu ko sisi asori dem mu ko tina asori dem. But I say asori dem na be ko ni akọ we go to church one to know God. Anutra enti mu kontina so dem na mu kasasa na mu ba abantina nukra na wonu mu na ese mu ka kire aman no na se mu kan kire wo mu a there's no way to be a pastor. What you say wanya ho a anu kire se ja wo nua no se na no ho kire no. Politicians not to trust na you can say and Christians no so there Aje afa mo ya Christians na you live by God's way na mo ba kanu kura na mo ba ye de etene no no mo nya eno ye ko see asoli cathedral you can be a cathedral for God obeti am ya see asoli da manya kopon obeti ya see asoli da manya amanya kopon. Do you know where they get the tools from? Baby, omunya nyoma na omudi si asori da no. O ka Bible now. Do you know where they get it from? Oh. Muma yanka nukura no na o man say. O man say. Yes, Samuel. Tama odi Israel for so no. Israel for so they say Samuel why akokura na so we nyini ti no. They want a king. Samuel ka kire wo mu say ohini no mba benya no. Oba bedu omu susunya. Oba betiti omu oba bedu omu japade. But omu say the omu anu anu omu pe. God gave to them. As so bedu omu so no. Atete so di omu ko mu no. Enu bia ni nanado. I will speak the truth. I will say it. I'll say it again. Nanado babedu omu penny. Bebre na ka say he don't deserve. Nanado bedu omu na. Omu ni be de eje mu. Omu ni be ko atete mu. Enso ye ntie. Omu di ma no ene de na ekọ. Oman Japan de nyina o ma chiche adema o mo ho wo ma yanka nukura no na Oman ese na na do ni mpanifo na ese Oman no Mpenifo Christian leaders Musale na mukasa Mahu share me all the time because I'm a Christian, so whatever is concerned about the Christianity, no, I have to say it. Nyankopo Johnny Mayo inti say who ye Christian na say who do woman ya then you are enemy to God. Ni pa do mun catch Christian leaders no. You have to comment and what? Let your comment reach the leaders no. After na start na say na e be kon some person make no kra na. Ya be ka kire omo ewia mi da Kevin Taylor mo ase Kevin Taylor and then is God nyakopo enhere wo mo pa oh say almost so na mo kasa ye say omo didi mpenifo na tam ye didi matamo Twin Jonas Kevin Taylor mo gabi mo omo didi matamo mo ani mo mo ka de mo ye na enye na mo ka cha mo say Munsha mwachi na Musa chira fre boni amudi no ho Christian leaders mu bie mani ama mu ma bribe ensem wani ama mu ma corruption ensem wani mu gunya kopo ni ma ase because of munti ana obie bu nyakopo bio obie bu Christians bio because of musuban amuritic parliament one mo you do not you I mean okay me people there me at the time me can say me I don't want anything from this government but I concern with my brothers my sisters omo ma ses ka bebre oko school ah ma babo tre sorry omo nya djuma ya omo timi nye madam skatem reconcile cathedral asole amosi asole bebre be abuga na no e de na mudi ye and the padodo asole mo timi asachire wo mo Nyakopo won hia mo asolidan yo on hia mo asolidan on hia ni ma on hia ni nkofo mo tete man fo na se omu ko bokro no a na makochi omu na makosi priest amamu church that Nyakopo say you bibia wo kwanso na anya do na hia o anya you bibia wo kwanso e anu fata ye say ye as a Christian no you have a right to do everything, but not all that. How can a Christian, a church, build a what do you call it, a prison? Huh? A church build yeah, I saw it. I could see a prison said how much teaching go to how come? Where who can see a say? Bible said, me da sorry, me da if you are saying man Bible show me. Anu sana muti ase anasi say she eya said we be say prison but it's not for you Christian a church to be a Christian and fact eya church so be say eya prison sa prison am ko see here no mo dey see hospital bi mo dey see eya company bia enka you to no asole man no enka mutini nkonya na because of mudidi abanwechi abanwe ya oni timamufo oni tima ema oman no aban we ya oni ti mama ompanifo no mudi o ma chama Christian leaders no omutimi ankasa yesi cathedral on Nyakopo betu amu nyina aka baako you think say adena wo ye what me ka bibi me ka sama akojira mo say wanyini with 100 years a believer oh 100 years wanyini no he don't suffer before he die obi a odi nukura ma Nyakopo wanyini a won suffer answer wewu but odi ma nukura ma Nyakopo a one thing you can live long but you suffer. You can live long, but you suffer. What do you want to say? What's the mind up idea? What you bring? Why you scantino? You don't care about the people of the nation, no? The money you will not eat it. You get it. You get the reward. God will punish you all. Nyakopo betu amu nyina Christian leaders no mo amu nkasa no kum chacha Nyakopo anhira wati kum chacha mo ka cheze Nyakopo anhira no last time we share the video be comment here yes that is it abali biaba said obi akasa abali ye bibina say yo so mo kasa mo no do mo ye do mo timi jai na mo kasa ma wo mo de na so mo koyo because they don't have the best set. How many Nyakopo adwene? Mo amu Nyakopo adwene na to talk to the nation no. Mo nyina maka manu atum. You see Nyakopo sha kum chacha. The nation prophet one so Nyakopo anhira no. Opa mbo Nyakopo anhira. Nyakopo anhira. Asofo bia na Christian leader bia o ka no kure no. Nyakopo anhira no. Anya na video obi baka say na dey na akwa wo ye I'm not akwa. I am the presence of God. Me my intrame if it is because of me only me nkaka me kwa na me here because of how I believe God no maybe somebody don't believe like that so I have to speak to for the person say na me Nyakopo di no Abia na me nua bi won mo no agin this but I cannot force that for that person to believe how I believe God no and in yesterday ye hwene ye kasa nobody some lo bi be kasa the who ye no bi be yo bibi on be soletia who be soletia me nobody can rise against me nobody. Pastor's video I say to me share mani ko baby biara share this video and then you are Christian so masa ba aya mi share and I said our celebrities no member mu so ayo one by one Christians no de Nyakopo akasem ya kire me the Christian me say mu share some video with Christians no every churches me dear bro, I'm not joking over here. I'm not joking. So the woman said me joking. I'm not joking over here. Whatever I say over here, no, it's by the authority. Christian leader, all the churches in this Ghana, in this nation, you are going to free every person in prison. Every 5 people. Me cannot say we share. Let them reach them. Who was so for be a catcher no? Say me say Nyakopo say to the end of this 2022, end of the year 2022 no, every churches shall free every individual in prison or be biara majuna boom. Hey, me say mon catcher share the video and tell the Christian. You can follow me after this. I'll upload this video and upload it to my YouTube channel. my YouTube channel I say me say I Wap TV. Oko YouTube Wap TV. Facebook Wap TV. Facebook page I Wap TV. Instagram I IG I Wap TV. Follow me on Facebook Azuma Wisdom Delali. Youth, the youth. Christian leaders, a believer, speak. Say, oh, to me, on your Facebook live. Oh, be piano, be shano piano. And the piano, come to credit and say, we are MPP near. Melka say, what band was on to know? You don't speak the truth. One can do crana. A band bed, Tamben or so can do crano. Me say, every churches bia Uwakanaha. The end of 2022. We just share the video. Let them reach every churches. I saw for bia my video we enter. My video we churches bia say. Me say Nyakupa say. Me say Nyakupa say. Omuko prison. The end of 2022. Every church is my free 5 people. Free prison. Every church is. Because Nkofo go prison one more. A be allegation. A be one more. A be one more. In such a bit, I don't know. Go there and free them. Muko no more. Muko you or more every prison one more. Better than say. Muko go see a prison ama one more. It is not their wish to be there. It is not their wish to be in that prison. And social be an at home. Christian leaders, peace council, churches. Ewia we mi cha obi biara baby biara o hwe mi biara no ayamunua Azuma Wisdom the lion one mpacho shesha video we mani ko baby biara me say sisobiom every churches omuke bia media agro I'll be pray obe fancy media agro be me carry me makai wie I'll not come and speak again. Enti mani video we Andrew baby biara o. Me say churches, every churches, the end of 2022. Every churches must free 5 people from prison. Mira makenwe. Makenwe o. Nyakupan kasamubasi aye prison emanima. Nyakupo akasebo besi prison emanima. Nyakupo ansoma mo asori densie. Nyakupo ansoma mo asori densie o. Ose enipa ni ba no ba yesi. Na nipa ba no oni baby tina. Jesus Christ ba ya no. Wan besi asori dan yo. O commandment story e. Abede akoka sempa no akoka the truth okobu o minor thing Christian I'm coming. Wow. Journalist ni bebre na kasa no. And me live video bi. Mo journalist bebre no. Nukra enka omunimo omanimo nukra ka ene omuni nipem. Nukra ka ene ho ma awomo. Wait. Oh. Sebia journalist ni bebrebe ka nukure no. Omutimi ka nukure no. Journalist bebrebe no ntimi ka nukure ni biemo. And I mean a video before live come se fa kan ho. Nti na bi busa say nti come se fa kan no. As a journalist no na ye bunipa no. That video way it's a previous government or your video we say nti na bi busa say nti e na ba no say nti na otimi ka say bio. Wo da mutie de wo kan no.
Media here, we should pay money to cover elections that I have to do. But if you listen to our brother from South Sudan, if we're not careful, we will end up reporting disaster.
But it's the okay the pa. What would tell me be at the okay?
Commissioners come to us as journalists, and it all starts these small things. What is this history from a journalist? What is this history from a journalist? We've done it since 1992. Why are you charging us? Because you want us to pay for accreditation. What is accreditation? A piece of paper with our names and lamination. And we have to pay for it to cover elections that have to do with the future of this country. I'm not very happy as a media person. It's my opinion. You may disagree with me. I know you have a story. And then also, I'm very happy that the Nima police commander was here. So, he was right in your territory only a week ago. But you're here, you're telling us, and the police service is very prepared, and we are well with the chapter. We happen in your backyard. What did you do? But you leave us journalists to report on these things, and all of us are afraid to speak up. Why? Let's speak truth to power all the time. If the police has a station at Nima, close to the flag bearer's house, and what happened, and the President of the Republic is blaming the police, and the police has said nothing, but they are assuring us that if anybody does anything wrong, we'll climb down. You climb down, it happened next door. You did nothing. You did nothing. If anything had happened, those of us here, most of us media people would have been responsible for reporting it. And this person is bleeding, and this person has died, and this person has done that. And we misreport it, then they come and blame us. Oh, the media is too sensational. Who wants the sensationalism? If state institutions will work the way they're supposed to, I'm sure that we'll also do our work the way we're supposed to. So much as we appreciate, we acknowledge that what you're doing, Electoral Commission, the police, without the police we can't survive. But please, let's speak truth to power. Let's tell them that, listen, do your stuff, we'll do ours. But don't come into functions like this and give us rhetoric. When you do that, you put us in a very tight corner. We will write the stories. I'm sure Graphic will report it. It's live on GTV. It's live on TV Africa. Everybody is watching. And everybody says, oh, your media is the fourth estate of the realm. You have to behave yourselves. But those of you also are in charge of ensuring that these things happen. Please, play your part. National Commission on Civic Education. You don't have money. You complain to us in private. You're standing here. You don't have money. It's 2 weeks for an election. Anybody tell me, have you seen anything from NCCE? Have you? What is this hypocrisy and dishonesty that we are all pushing? The NCC is a state organization that is supposed to educate us on our rights and all of that. It's 2 weeks to an election. They haven't put one single advert out educating the public on how we should even vote. Have you seen it? You have? Why did you see it? Bad. social media, there's traditional media, there are people on the streets. And how many people can read? You work with the NCC. Well, I haven't seen anything. I've been lucky enough to cover elections from 1996. Kojo says I should shut up and get out. So, Kojo says I'll shut up and get out. But truth be told, let all of us, the media people for which Media Foundation for Western Cross brought us here, let's speak truth to power. It's my admonition to all of us. Let's speak truth to power. Let's tell them that yes, we'll cover you. Let's tell them that yes, we'll report on you. But let's also tell them, like in the Electoral Commission, you're not fair to us. We shouldn't be paying to cover elections about our country. It doesn't make sense. Let's tell the NCC, you don't have money, you're not working hard enough. Let's tell the police, we want to trust you. We want to believe in you. But give us a cost to do that. Let's tell the police, you want to slap you. If there's a matter, they will slap you. So that both ways, we know that whatever you do here, you do here. But don't let us do it as if it's because A is here and B is there. I'm very scared about what my brother from South Sudan said. It may sound like a story, but for those of us journalists here tonight,
thank you. Yakubu Esha say, watch me. Yakubu Esha. Mumenshi Adebi every year Proverbs chapter 27 verse 5. If I can project it, let me check if I can project this Bible verse so that you can watch, you can see it. Person Proverbs what is that? Proverbs 27 verse 5. Proverbs yes. Proverbs 27 verse 5 Verse 5 says, better is open the rebuke than hidden love. Better is open rebuke than hidden love. True, no say enimuka pete ye sene odo a ehita you see Proverbs mebusa masem na okano o say enimuka eye sene de odo a ehita for rebuke. Better is open rebuke than hidden love. Help me back on Yakubu Sam now. It is about loving your brother. Loving your brother is all about the Bible. You cannot accept God without loving your neighbor. Instead of can also say, love your neighbor as yourself. Oh. Until now, can say love your neighbor as yourself. ana Bible no ka ho asem no o se de animuka ayese ne se de odo a ahita animuka ayese ne odo ahita rebuke open is better than love which is hidden. Enti nya kopo se ye rebuke ye kan animu o se animuka ayese ne se de odo a ekan say ehinta awa kumamu udo obi na se wan kan anima you are killing the person because on the pakro bi ade na wo ye no e bia na enye but wonim nti wo ka che wo kan anim se ade na wo ye no ye nkosi asem ade na wo ye no ye jimisam ansese wo ye nipa wo ye sa ade we you will think about it. But odi odo because odo be share kuma mo kan kire no ana wo pa chen tu do na na dabi Bible say for rebuke them kananim mpenifo no mo ya no Christian leaders no do mo ya na enye oyo pastor kora ka kire ni say pastor o man sente na wo fa ho ka fa ho ka kire no ayati ni se obado no wa kumamu Can Bible is saying that rebuke them. Ah, God. Oh. Mama yan campaign for nenim. Mama yan campaign for nenim say. Oh, mama yan campaign for nenim. Ose animuka pete ye sene odo a ehinta animuka pete eye sene odo a ehinta odo ni pakro no na de wo ye ne enya na wo waka wa no atu odo wo man. It is talking about his nation. Oh, Bible what we just read no, it's talking about his nation, his people. Ka omanani yes ni se obeje achede obeje bribe na waka wa no atum kachina na do se oman no ye di mani so mbebo me yan kachen so mbe sisa oman japade ani na busian for dabi na do timi bo oman nyina mani se bed ese otimi ya ade a obi beto aso ebetimi aboa. But all near being by yard, you know what, but no what send kura, Debbie. We are Christian, we are leader, you are a believer. Speak as a believer. Mamika Sama Kunchamo. God is no more a sheep. Oh. Never. God is no more a sheep. Mamika Chobim, God is no more a sheep. God is a lion. Nibufu efuno muda muntina umenu muna munye di tino mena munye di munje bribe na munye di ewo da homa obi bia o. And one thing other tell people say judgment if you are talking about judgment there, the judgment is the day that you die. Mamika Bio, the judgment day is the day that you die. You don't know the day that you die. Only matter obewo. Inta de bia obeye bia hwe so de nukura beto on mo. Hwe se odu odo be ma onua. Onua ko se bi ma ka kire no. De nana do ye, abetimi ade oha bi ade abre ni ma. Anamuni mana. That your curse. We bring curse into ourselves. And ye na na bia curse bi oye na against you. So mu curse bi and against you man. That means we are doing the same thing. who supported that government when another government we know. She na dwene who say it will come against you. Mahama was on our board minor. Was it so then? No, ya we Musa Nunya. Musa Nunya Tino, Yakofa before from La. And the Panoa Bano de Ayano. Or no, the year. School down and Mahama Esino. School down and yet. Into who call nursing training, who call teacher training, now. Who we are now call a teacher no was na teachers from Podia. Sa teachers training no cry. What will be back what Jabaka said? Only a Jumayano, what Junior? Why Junior? Because Mama was on our school die no. Musa Manisu school die. School die now was in a yet unemployment. Obi baba su school da sebe ya mu wie school mu be kwakọ ye djuma na unemployment so ate no mu send ba no onye mo twantro de afata ni nyama twatu no so enso na nyina na against mo no ma mi ka che ani uyo so wa na utie mi a ma mi ka se ba ko nkyira wo ade biara obedi na chi no ade bi obedi e kira na any institution na member IBP bi obedi eje no hwe se ade na wo ye no ade no de ekire no enfa no me embrew Arab can say Jezebel ekunu no Arab if I don't know if you don't read the Bible enu ntuntra omunka Bible no ye Christian leaders no Bible no omunka yo or school no muko ye no de e ka kire omo no enu a understanding the Bible no minimo no me ye na ye create no me ba ye so we create curse upon ourselves. It is nobody. Then another way what be the she said the oil and you good et him come against you she Arab aye ni can say Arab any bre enti kanyakopo ekuno any bre ntino amaniyere aye Jezebel ekumobi aye akumobi because of Japadi any bre okumobi mami kasa story ni nchiro na Arab obi Japadi aje wa ifa kwambia so pese oje Japadi no ni pakuna amfa ma no ni bufu na kwakache ni yere Jezebel ana Jezebel fa kwan so ekum eyi sa omi akro ni firi ono mo na nyakopo bufu so aba no so na ka kire aye kansa Joshua se ka kire aye Ahab say nyakopo ehuno de nyawaye ni nyina nyakopo ehuno nyakopo de abayi na firi ono mo na Bible say Ahab asufre nyakopo na nyakopo adi cheno wan fan cheno o di free no read the Bible well and understand it nyakopo fa bani nche o di free no we say because of Ahab so I was so afraid into no or say me person me say no the curse that I want to bring upon Ahab no I will not break it again me fan baby elbow to his what in cinema ni nache for no his can say ni nache dache in cinema and or did it no me never ba so anya say odi no me never ba so kire say na say for no ye wo ma na no me na da so say so ayesa ade na Ahab aye can say any bre wo hum no Ahab ye no amani yere kokum obi no say yenso ye yesa ade na ana sam no me be ba ye so anya say ye na say fonte no to automatically no me be ba ye so there be a curse is what it's something that we did which against God and the Arab onu de Nyankopon de o di free no wan fa nche no also the beba ni maso se ni maso yes the same thing na o the beba ni so nanado the why na wo support no me youth no attends me share social media I am share bebre last time young boy bi o kasa ase o comment bi say o mu comment ka bi na me ka say o mu ka say Mahama say he is not magician to create to create a job. Adam Kachin said he is right to say that because he is not a magician, because he is building a church, he is building market, hospital, schools. He cannot predict to break the schools once. Until he is a magician, I'm a school there, I'm a preoccupied. And he is doing it. So he is right to say that he is not a magician. One guy said, he is not a magician. What have you done? And because the school now was in there, hospital in there, market in there. You see, you know what the guy said? School, hospitals, market don't create a permanent job. And to send the power, young boy will say, Obedi, or man be so, or man so that you be an aso be penia. I didn't know I am a man. And to you to know, you must be careful how you react in social media. You must take care how you go by supporting the evil. Proverbs 17 verse 13. Or say if you take a good, or you exchange good to good, bad, or you exchange bad to good, curse will not leave your hand. Or say so the papa dane bone, and also the bone dane papa. No me help of yeda. Hwɛ no me obi afa no me ba oso eye wan kasa anamo utuo enti oka aye Psalm 1 verse 1 na o say no me ka obi obedi o say no me ka obi abanama amanana for ade anamo tusu anase de obenam ni pabone for akwanso obedi pabone for chi hwɛ the Bible is saying Nyankopon oye nukwafo na sembia nukwa na wanti asia no beka je say Nyankopon ni ho. God is Jesus Christ is there. No matter how you say as the adede no beti maka say Nyankopon ni ho, but let me tell you the reality. The reality is you yourself. What you do, what you support, that will bring the evil upon you. Abaya omutori yes nanado abano mu wiem. They know that they steal it, but bebre na de akire me I just take this normal. Me I don't take it normal. What happened? Abano omutori me I don't take it. So mu wiem me I don't take it normal. What I take is I will not support it because say mi ko page na say mi adwuma bi mu mi ko page adwuma bi na say de eye mi de na say adwuma obi a enya mi de until I will not support that. That's what every Christian must be thinking. Say de eye di ba ye enya we de no, don't support it. Me support obi. Christian leaders don't support evil. Evil will come upon you. What did I say there? Or your suffer, or your prophet. Prophet cannot take you to heaven. Your suffer cannot take you to heaven. Speak the truth. Say Nyankopon ka say, ye bobo utio and ye bokunwa. Because on our before Obeba Sasiso no, he know what will kill you. And it's a sad no matter how they will do, you will never. John, I don't know my final job. I don't know my final job. But that is not his time to die. That is not his time to die. And you know, Obaka Nukrana Oba Sunosebia. Impenfoba Becho, Omudu Betu, Omba Yose no. If it's that is the reason why God brought you to this earth, do it to die. But no matter how they do, their life is not your life is not their hand. Your life in the hand of God. But speak the truth. Me can we. No so. Christian leaders no so. Let me see your comment. What do you know about this? I do children na onya fa offer some video we ho. Who are doing children bia? Can never ma wa do children no. I do pedifo no. Christian leaders no. Peace council say ye omo nyina free your parliament wo. Message shaman do omo nyina every one no mo. Christian leaders omo free parliament wo. They don't deserve to be there. Mawani bro, woman so. I can't say Deborah. I'm comforted in my. Oh, sorry, once no. Do you know what happened? As a Christian, you must be. God is abnormal person, or God is not normal person. That every Christian should be like normal. Oh, I am a Christian. Me, I don't want. If you know the right thing, why you don't do it? You are the evil to the nation. When the papa that's one ya. We are the papa for you are the evil to the nation. And to speak out, God is abnormal person. Nyankopon ye normal sao. Same we want to say. Or your grandma, or ban or your grandma no buy. What go? He's not no more a sheep. God is not no more a sheep. He's not no more normal. And to all Christians now, be no more no. God is normal, not normal like that too. Nyakupa wanyenya o. Share. When I catch you. Would I make catch them penny for no? Then another year, no mamma can't no. Then penny young boys no more people muna. Omunum nyansana. Omuje bribe. Your mom's kaka krabia. No ma ba me or ma ba out. Nobody antro. And the bedi bomb by ye. I can't say Timamu for no. Then they should watch out. They should mark it on the wall. God will deal with them one by one. Also, in Nyansa for the same people, the MPP that we know, no, it's not this. It's no more MPP. And young people need. This is a tyrant government, Abba, and it should be happy. As I said to me, see, then you could pass some to me, Pep. But what ben na muso na beba no due wate want to you what ben na mutisu due beba no due what will support this government no matter who you are na one can nukra no ama nukra na oside wa ma nukra na anyi mama nukra na endedi. Oh, man, no more. Or say, I did about your money better. I won't know the buyer. We are Metimemunio. We are Wayo. One no do a jomo. Nasa went to me and Casa. Nasa or Maniquatima. You are among of them. God will deal with you. No matter who you are. Mudina Copo Asam Eddie Diagro. You think that they are insulting you? They are not insulting you. And the insult, you can't did the atama. I did the attention. Maybe we are concerned and one we are concerned. I didn't know we are no. And certain nipa we are concerned. So what? You do your man so now I didn't say or man is a bunu na so umbua. Now your man dey diagra. That's a case where Jimmy. It's not insult. Obian what one mukasa keke. I can say where Jimmy. Debbie. If the person doesn't do anything. That's a case where Jimmy, I know where didn't attempt. but ye do do man so say be do man and I say what office adwuma ye say ye no wo nya na the adwuma ni di agro. Are you not stupid? Are you not stupid? And Kevin Telani, Twin Jonas, don't tell them that they are insulting you. They are doing the good job of God. They are doing the good job of God. Kevin Taylor was MPP ni. Kevin Taylor is a member of MPP pure. He was talking at the regime of John Mahama. Yes, because he's a journalist. He must to speak out. And then Abanyaba so. But no, oye Christian, oye believer, oye nukrokafo. He said, I cannot support this evil. Yes, that is a good example of a Christian. That's a good example of a Christian. What you say? So, wow, show me baby biara, show me free biara no. Make sure say, odi nukrebe tu ye wa bra bomu. I will support bone. Ama no me amba also. I'm preaching to somebody. I said I'm preaching to somebody. The gospel is about the truth. Now you can't say you can't preach yakasa. Who are you as a sopho? We can preach and preach. We can preach and preach. But you have to put the right thing first. Now preach ben na mimi timi preach. And I say me continue jina kama and I say me jina papito ntino. It's not about standing on the pulpit that to show that you are a preacher, you are preaching. No. Whatever you have to put the right, you have to speak the truth to the people. Tell somebody the truth. Waka wanwe tumo man say you are a Christian. As a Christian, you keep quiet. You quiet on this mess of this government. One thing is you are first school, and from boy mine. You di nyakupo nyansa adwene ye di boy mine. Somewhat. Nti ene wie mi catch your big biara with him any youth no. Wherever you are watching me from, make the right things must be done in your life. Mensuru nipa. Ebia na onje nyakupo ndi. Say onje nyakupo ndi a. You can do whatever you want. God doesn't care about you because you don't follow him. But as you follow Christ Jesus, make sure you put the right thing at the right place. You must speak the truth. We have started. We are going to speak. Any government that will come, if you don't do the right, we are going to speak out. We are going to tell you our mind. We have to tell the truth. And the government will buy it. This kabebe be omuje no. E dey no mudi ye. Some majority leaders no more parliament ni dey meba omuso. Mwaji bosia busini bosia government be you can say Ghana ha. Ntumenti mi fa nya de ba kokura. Sisi de aye can say mobile money. Levy na mobile beje. Hey. Mpenifo be na no mutiri mo adi say. Nyakopo humu mobo. Thank you. Nti baby bia o temi awie biara no. Mi pa chofa nukre tu nukre. Masofofo no. Mun ka kire wo mo. Omo fa nukre ntu wo no mo. Mi sa sisubio